La Voiture Noire is more than the celebration of our 110th anniversary, and it's also more than a modern interpretation of the Bugatti Atlantique. The Voiture Noire is a beauty on its own. It's a car which we love from the first sight, and we call it the ultimate Gran Turismo. It has a beautiful and powerful engine, 8-liter capacity, 16-cylinder, and 1,500 horsepower. And if we look at the design, it's from stunning proportions. It's elegant and puristic at the same time. And if you look at the bodywork, there's not one line too many. And we also have all the design elements which are making a Bugatti immediately recognizable. We have the horseshoe in the front, we have the Bugatti line on the sides, and we have the center line, which for the first time was done by Jean Bugatti exactly on the Bugatti Atlantique. La Voiture Noire is a one of one. It's automotive haute couture at its best, and for us it's the pinnacle of our product portfolio. And when we first presented the car, it was immediately sold for a price of 16.7 million euro. But ladies and gentlemen, we don't have only La Voiture Noire here on the stand. We have on my right-hand side, we have the Bugatti Divo, which had the world premiere last year in Pebble Beach. Also here, the 30 units we wanted to, or we will produce, are immediately sold out for a sticker price of 5 million euro each. And then we have another world premiere here on my left-hand side, which is to celebrate the 110th anniversary. It's the Chiron Sport 110 ans Bugatti. We are going to build the car only 20 times. And to underline, let's say, our French heritage, we have tricolores on the outside and the interior. And we also created a special color we call matte steel blue. All the 20 units, luckily, are already sold, and this is very good news for us in Bugatti.